Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd take you along with me as I decorate my Christmas tree. We just chopped it down this morning, and I wanted to show you what I do to decorate it. So we'll go ahead and get started. And not really a DIY or tutorial, just kind of showing you guys what I do to decorate my tree for the holidays. I said I wasn't gonna do this as a DIY or tutorial, but then I thought you guys probably want to know what I'm doing and what I chose, and also I wanted to show you guys a couple different tips that I do when decorating a tree. So here's the tree all done. And so a couple things I wanted to point out is you can do simple ornaments like this where it's literally just pine cones from my backyard. So those were free. I got these bells, like different size bells on Amazon, and I really like them because they're kind of like a rust color. And then I got two different size glass red, they're like a deep red Christmas ball. And then I also, on Amazon, found a bunch of these copper, let me get this to focus, copper keys, and it was like a pack of 20, and then I hung most of everything from fishing line because I like things to look like they're floating versus hanging from a hook. The balls I did on a hook because I'm afraid if the tree gets bumped I don't want them to fall off, plus to hook fishing line through that just didn't make sense to me. So but what I wanted to point out is I prefer an imperfect tree, meaning it's not a perfect like cone shape like you would see for most Christmas trees. So mine, I like to have gap and different length branches, like this one here that's kind of sticking out further than the rest of the tree, and same here. But the reason why I like that is so you can have different ornaments hanging like this. They hang down nicely. But then you can also put ornaments like deeper into the tree, which I think adds a lot of depth in that as well. So I cut down my own tree, like I said. One of the tips that I'll give you is if you do like outdoor greenery pots or anything like that for Christmas, a good tip is cut down your tree. So like this place was like $65 for any size tree. Well, I actually cut down a 12-foot tree and my ceilings are only 8 feet. So what I'm gonna do with the rest of that greenery is I'm actually gonna use that in stuff outside and some different arrangements possibly inside. So I'm paying $65 for the tree plus an extra 4 feet of greenery that I would have otherwise paid separate for. So that's another tip I wanted to share with you. So anyways, I hope you like the tree that I put together, and I hope this inspires you to give it a try. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.